Welcome to Folded Creased and Crumpled. We have a fun thing for you today. My Inky Box came in. Look at that.
Again with a beautiful envelope.
This time I was smart. I covered my address. Let me tell you, if anybody ever has to edit out addresses, it's not fun. It's not easy because I move around a lot and I'm just like, oh gosh. Anyway, this time we were smart. I am really excited because Inky Box does one thing. It's quick and easy. It's actually quite reasonable. And also, they have if you're going to do calligraphy, they just have calligraphy. And they'll provide everything, all the instructions, everything you need to know. So that's great. So this time, you know me, I already pre-opened it. But I noticed that it comes with a wood piece. So it means that I probably have to be painting something, which is cool. Never had wood pieces to paint.
So it's like a plaque?
Yeah. And then, oh, Anna's excited. It comes with this awesome Princeton acrylic paintbrush. I don't know if it's a big deal if it says Princeton. I don't really know much about paintbrushes.
It looks like a nice brush though.
And then it comes with acrylic paint, deco art, burgundy. So that's cool too. And it's this full-size bottle too. 2 ounces. 2 ounces. Don't know why I said 2 ounces. And then it also comes with a fine, replaceable tip, white, pure acrylic marker. It looks like a marker. I haven't opened it yet.
Open it. What are you waiting for?
Well, hold on. Everyone wants to see it up close before I open it. All right. I'm going to open this baby. Wait, before I open it. Anna's like... It actually tells you what's inside too. So what's inside, it says a Montana paint marker, a Derice wood plaque, acrylic paintbrush, and Deco Art Crafters acrylic paint. And at the back is the see other side for links to practice sheets, tutorials, and other info, which is a great thing to put in there because
that's amazing.
Yeah, because then I feel like I'll show it to you in a second, but it also has, oh my goodness, download this month's practice sheets, all that stuff, and it has passwords, so it has the link and the password, so you're able to find it wherever and have the password for it to do what you need to do with it. So I will quickly show you.
Easy access.
And this way, they also save on packaging.
Mm-hmm.
Right? They don't have to bulk up anything. They can just say, oh, go look here. So I haven't gone online yet to check it out, but I will definitely do that. But for now, I mean, this is pretty cool. I can paint this. I like it a lot.
And you can use, I know you have quite a few stencils.
Yeah, and that's the other thing I was thinking. I'm like, oh, now we have a colorful stencil. I mean, sorry, we have actual color, acrylic color paint. So we can use some of the stencils that were provided for us at Busy Bee Stationery. I'm really excited about this. I am not sure what I want on it or how I want to paint it, but I'm definitely going to see if I can
get inspired or inspiration from the links there.
Yeah. Oh, I wish I can, because it's a wood plaque.
You could write aloha and then have a little piece.
Oh my gosh. And then make it, since it's burgundy, I can have it kind of like painted and have it fade out like the sunset.
You can. Look at that, Tina.
That would be so pretty.
You can have it in the background in all of our future episodes.
Yeah, so I'm going to look all this up. I'm going to research it and, look at the tutorials. And Anna and I will definitely do a tutorial on this with all the information so you don't have to go looking for it. And guys, colored paint. Who knew? But I'm excited.
Have you never seen paint before, Tina?
I have, Anna. I have seen paint, but I'm just saying they didn't provide us, you know,
with a wood color
paint. Not bitter at all. But I am gonna open this really quickly to show you.
Oh, it's cellophane. I thought from here it looks like a hard plastic.
Not gonna lie, that scared me when I pulled it out. I thought paint was gonna shoot out at my face. Okay, I don't have the patience for this.
Tina does not like packaging.
I don't. I feel like it's a waste. But I'm gonna use what I have close by, which is just a regular Post-it note, super sticky. And I'm gonna see how this acrylic paint works. I'm so scared. Hold on.
Yes, let's cap that first.
And then I'll shake it. I feel like that's what you're supposed to do if it makes sounds like that, right?
I imagine so.
All right. I'm just gonna write.
Oh, you know what? I've had that type of pen. You need to push the tip in a few times, and that gets the paint flowing.
Hear that?
Are there instructions on the pen?
Oh no, it's coming. It's just slow.
But then once you do that, you don't have to do it again. It's just to get it flowing. Such nice lettering, Tina.
Oh, thanks, Anna. All right, I won't waste anymore. But yeah, it's white acrylic paint. Pretty cool. It's like comes out like a marker. I'll just quickly show the color of the paint.
Yes, please do. I'm very curious.
Just a little bit. Drop.
Oh, that looks intense. I like that.
I'm just gonna use this brush again.
Well, it's white though. You're gonna...
Yeah, I know.
Or did it dry already? You don't see it.
Oh, that's a little white. It's okay. I spread it out so you can tell.
That's really pretty. I like the intensity.
Yeah, it is a really pretty color. As red as my lips. Is this toxic? No.
I wouldn't chance it.
Don't eat paint. It's not good. Yeah, don't be like me. I didn't eat it. Don't worry. Before it leaks onto this. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's really nice. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. And I agree. It's a nice deep burgundy too.
And I think that would be great as an ombre or a sunset theme if that's what you decide to do with your plaque.
Yeah, I just want to see the tutorial, and they even have a Anna, they have a faux calligraphy. So I'm wondering if they are going to show you how to paint this, and then like maybe write like aloha on it or whatever they decide on. But this is pretty cool. This is definitely very informative. A lot of good information in one piece of paper.
Yes, thank you, Inky Box.
Yeah, good stuff. I can't wait. I can't wait to try it, and I cannot wait for you to see it. But that's it for today. Thank you, everybody. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications. Am I missing anything else, Anna?
Everybody stay safe, and thanks for watching.
All right. Peace.